Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Kadderu, computer teacher for standard 2nd. So children, today we are going to start with another chapter, that is WordPad. You have already learnt about Notepad in your standard 1, isn't it? So this WordPad is somewhat similar to that of Word Notepad, but with some advanced features in it. So children, come on, let us begin with the chapter. So WordPad is a text editing software as compared to that of Notepad. It has more formatting options when compared to that of Notepad. You can add you can add colors to the document and the text, and you can also insert the pictures. So the question arises, that is, what is formatting? So formatting refers to how the text in the document actually looks. You can format the text by changing its font, color, underlining it, or even by highlighting it. So when you open the WordPad, the screen of your laptop or the computer looks like this. So this is the WordPad window. So now let us see how to open WordPad. So to start with WordPad, you have to first click on start button. You can see the start button at the corner, left bottom corner, Windows icon. So when you click on Windows icon, you can see all programs over here. So when you click on all programs, you have list of programs here. You can see many programs here. So in this, click on accessories. So when you click on accessories, you have another list of programs, and in that you can find WordPad. So click on WordPad and then the WordPad window appears. So children, this is how the WordPad window looks like. It has various parts. So let us discuss in this session about the parts of WordPad window and the uses of them. The first one is title bar. So children, you can see at the top of the document, that is called as title bar. This top one, this is title bar. So this title bar displays the name of the document. Here you can see document WordPad. Because we have not saved the file, it shows document by default. At the right of the title bar, we have three buttons. One is minimize, maximize or restore, and then close. Minimize, you already know, to make it smaller in size. Next, close, you already know. And lastly, we have maximize or restore down. So it is used to make the window smaller in size, or when you click the same button again, it brings it back to the full size. To the left side of the title bar, we have again some options here. So this is called as quick access toolbar. So this consists of commands that are most oftenly used in WordPad. If you want to add any of the commands to this quick access toolbar, you have to right click any command in any group. If you want any of them in this, so you can right click on any of them and then click add to quick access toolbar, and that command gets added there. Next we have WordPad button. You can see here this blue color, this part. So this is called as WordPad button. This is present to the left of the home tab. You can see here this is home tab. To the left of it we have WordPad button. It has options to create a new file, save a file, print a file, or exit from the WordPad. Next we have ribbon. So this ribbon is present just below the title bar. It contains many tabs, and these tabs are subdivided into groups, and groups are again subdivided into commands. Next we have, you can see here children, so these are the groups, and these groups are again divided into command, or they may, and groups will also contain commands. Next we have document window. Document window is the area in the WordPad where you can text. Next we have slider. So slider is used to zoom in or zoom out the text. That is, we can either make the document smaller in size or bigger in size. Next we have ruler. So children, you can see the ruler over here. Can you see? Yes. So this ruler is used to set the text, pictures, tables and other graphics on the page. So these are the parts of WordPad window. So children, I hope it is clear. Okay.